What if I told you some of the coolest Amazon gadgets of 2026 are so smart, they'll make your everyday life easier from the very first use? Stick around because gadget number 1 is so impressive, you'll wonder why nobody's talking about it. CyberDock 3-in-1. What if one sleek gadget could eliminate every charging cable on your desk? The CyberDock 3-in-1 wireless charging station powers your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds all at once while keeping everything perfectly organized. Its magnetic stand, adjustable viewing angle, and modern ambient lighting make it look as premium as it performs. Once you experience this clutter-free setup, you'll never want to go back to tangled cables again. HoverAir X1 Promax Drone. Imagine capturing cinematic shots without touching a controller. The HoverAir X1 Promax drone launches straight from your palm, then locks onto you with AI tracking while recording stunning 8K video. Whether you're hiking, biking, or exploring the outdoors, it follows your every move like a personal camera crew. Compact, smart, and unbelievably easy to use, this futuristic drone proves that professional-looking footage is now just one launch away. BOYI 66 Pro Magnetic Switch Gaming Keyboard. Think your keyboard is fast? The BOYI 66 Pro Magnetic Switch Gaming Keyboard takes speed to a whole new level. Its magnetic switches deliver lightning-fast response times with ultra-precise actuation, giving gamers a serious competitive edge. Rapid trigger technology means every keystroke reacts instantly, while customizable controls and vibrant RGB lighting create the ultimate gaming setup. Once you try it, a regular keyboard will feel painfully outdated. Keyboard Cleaning Kit. You'd be shocked to see what's hiding inside your keyboard. The Ordilend Keyboard Cleaning Kit makes deep cleaning incredibly easy with a retractable brush, keycap puller, precision cleaning pen, and microfiber pad, all packed into one compact tool. It reaches dust, crumbs, and grime that ordinary wipes can't touch. Whether you're a gamer, student, or remote worker, this affordable gadget keeps your setup looking spotless and feeling brand new every single day. Fanttik D2. Crooked shelves and uneven picture frames could become a thing of the past. The Fanttik D2 laser level projects a bright green laser that's easy to see, even in well-lit rooms, while its self-leveling technology automatically keeps every line perfectly straight. Whether you're hanging artwork, installing cabinets, or tackling a DIY project, this compact tool delivers professional-level accuracy in seconds. It's one of those gadgets that instantly makes every home project look expertly done. Rack 11-in-1. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary pen, but don't let that fool you. The Rack 11-in-1 Multitool Pen packs a screwdriver, ruler, bubble level, stylus, LED flashlight, bottle opener, and more into one sleek design. It's the kind of gadget that saves the day when you least expect it. Whether you're fixing something at home, working in the office, or tackling a quick DIY project, this compact multi-tool is always ready for action. Wireless meat thermometer. Perfectly cooked steak every single time sounds impossible until you try the ThermoMaven wireless meat thermometer. This smart gadget lets you monitor food temperatures from up to 3,000 feet away without constantly checking the grill. Real-time readings help prevent overcooking, making every barbecue, smoked brisket, or holiday roast come out just right. For anyone serious about grilling, this is the secret weapon that takes outdoor cooking to the next level. Anker Prime Power Bank. Running out of battery is frustrating, but not with the Anker Prime Power Bank. This compact powerhouse delivers ultra-fast charging for your phone, tablet, and even your laptop, making dead batteries a thing of the past. Despite its small size, it packs serious power and recharges quickly, so you're always ready to go. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or on the move, this gadget is an absolute game changer. BAYU 6-in-1. Imagine being stranded with a dead battery, then fixing it in minutes with one compact device. The BAYU 6-in-1 car jump starter kit is far more than a jump starter. It transforms into a tire inflator, vacuum, pressure washer, and more, making it the ultimate roadside companion. Whether you're on a cross-country road trip or your daily commute, this all-in-one gadget keeps you prepared for almost anything the road throws your way. Ciays Propane Fire Pit. Forget smoky campfires that leave your clothes smelling like ash. The Ciays Propane Fire Pit table delivers instant flames, powerful heat, and a clean burning experience with the push of a button. Its portable design makes it perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard nights, while the built-in cooking grate adds extra versatility. It's the kind of outdoor upgrade that turns every gathering into an unforgettable experience. Smart Mug 2. Ever take a sip of coffee only to find it's already cold? The Ember temperature control. Smart Mug 2 completely changes the game by keeping your drink at the exact temperature you choose for up to 80 minutes, or all day on its charging coaster. Control everything from your smartphone and enjoy every sip exactly the way you like it. Once you try it, you'll never settle for lukewarm coffee again. Laifen P3 Pro. What if your morning shave took less time and delivered a smoother finish than ever before? The Laifen P3 Pro electric shaver packs a high-speed motor and ultra-thin precision blades into a sleek metal body, giving you an incredibly close shave with less irritation. Its compact, travel-friendly design makes it perfect for life on the go. This isn't just another electric shaver. It's a serious upgrade your daily routine deserves. REVO Smart Cupping Massager. Muscle soreness after a long day or intense workout doesn't stand a chance against the REVO Smart Cupping Massager. This innovative gadget combines intelligent suction, soothing heat, and red light therapy to deliver a deep, relaxing massage in minutes. Smart sensors automatically adjust the pressure for a comfortable experience, making every session feel customized. Compact, cordless, and easy to use, it's like having a professional recovery treatment whenever and wherever you need it. TopTes PT199. A tiny gas leak can turn into a major disaster before you even notice it. The TopTes PT199 gas leak detector helps you find hidden methane, propane, and natural gas leaks within seconds using loud audio alerts and a bright LCD display. Its fast response and pinpoint accuracy give you extra peace of mind at home, in your RV, or in the workshop. It's a small safety gadget that could make a huge difference. Plaud Note. Imagine recording every meeting, phone call, or brilliant idea without writing a single note. The Plaud Note AI voice recorder captures crystal clear audio, then automatically turns it into transcripts, summaries, and action items using AI. Its ultra-thin magnetic design attaches right to your phone, making it perfect for work, school, or business. This isn't just a voice recorder. It's like having a personal AI assistant that never misses a single detail. And that's our list of 15 next-level Amazon gadgets that prove the future is already here. If even one of these blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe for more insane tech discoveries, and let us know in the comments, which gadget are you buying first?